Make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. So today we are learning plant growth right now, and sorry this time late because my tests were starting and it have started right now also. And when my test was over, I was a little tired, and I thought like I have to work hard for a lot, but finally I did it. So let's get started. So today we are learning about testing for starch in plants and nutrients. It's made by me, Vanya. So we can discuss the pictures. What are these about? And first picture is about the Venus flytrap. That is a plant. It is a carnivorous plant. You will learn what are carnivorous plant too. Second picture is a black leaf, and the third picture is a solution which is called an iodine solution. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Fine. Testing for starch. To check if the leaf has made food, so we can use iodine solution to test for starch. Iodine solution color is yellowish brown, but when the leaf in the form of starch is dipped into the iodine solution, it turns blue-black color. If the starch is present, means it has made food. The food which the plants provide while photosynthesis becomes the energy for animals so they can stay alive. Plants use light energy from sun to make food. Hence, the sun is the main source of energy. So in this, it is telling that if you want to check that whether the leaf has made food, so you can use iodine solution. When the starch is added to the iodine solution, so the color turns into blue-black, and that's how we know that the starch is present in the leaf and the leaf has made food, obviously. So in the second bullet point, so in this you can understand that they have chlorophyll, so they can make photosynthesis while carry out photosynthesis, and the energy they get is the energy for the other living consumers. Okay, so they can stay alive. And when the plants use light to make food for exactly, and then it is transferred from producers to living things. It is about a little food chain that we'll learn in the next chapter, I guess. And here are two pictures that have a plant and that have a sun. Okay, fine. Let's take plants and nutrients. Did you saw the plant in the introduction slide? Yep, I saw. It's called the Venus flytrap and is a carnivorous or insectivorous plant, as they consume insects and other small animals. They also have chlorophyll and thus can carry out photosynthesis. They consume small animals to get nutrients as they grow in soil that are poor in nutrients. Plants use their roots to absorb nutrients from soil, but in the form of mineral salts. Roots anchor the plant, means holds the plant. Soil is made when the rocks wear down because of weathering. It influences the improvement of the plant. Even roots have different types, that are taproots and fibrous roots. So in this, they are telling that there are many plants and nutrients. It's telling, yes, I saw that plant, that's a little different type of plant. So another name for this is carnivorous plant or insectivorous plants. They are called carnivorous plants because they consume, means they eat insects and other small animals to get nutrients, because they grow in soil which are poor in nutrients. So exactly, the plants need nutrients to grow well, but they do not have nutrients in the soil they grow, so they need insects and other animals to gather nutrients. Okay, next, soil is made when the rock wear down because of weathering. It influences the improvement of the plant. Okay, that means that how is soil made, it's telling us about. And because of weathering, the rocks wear down, means they are going down and it becomes the soil. Okay, and it helps to improve the plants, their health, growth. And even roots have different types, because there are types of roots such as tap roots and fibrous roots. These are the name of roots. Next slide. Science tidbits. So basically, second video was included in the science tidbits. That it means that what science says about that. I guess that was a topic of microorganisms. So science tidbits you already know, as you have, if you have seen my second video. So science tidbit is, I will tell you again, science tidbit is that when you you can say what the science says about it. Let's see. Plants can be grown without soil, as in hydroponics and aeroponics. In hydroponics, plant roots are immersed in nutrient-rich solutions, while in aeroponics, plant roots are exposed to the air and periodically sprayed with nutrient-rich solutions. Fine. Let's see types of soils. Types of soils. There are 3 types of soils: clay soil, sand soil, loam soil. Okay, now it is telling about the size of particles. Clay soil have a very fine, and sand has large. Okay, big, enormous. Loam is varies. Okay, and other characteristics. Characteristics means what they have. It means basically means features. So it's written, it retains water well, has poor air content, does not retain water well, is aerated, means high air content. Retains water, is aerated, contains a lot of nutrients. It means that clay soil have, like, it retains water well, but it have poor air content, right? So like if you want to differentiate between, so we can just say that it retains water well, this doesn't retain water well, and you can just give examples of it, and you can just define by the size of soil particles. Basically loam has all the things. It retains water well also, it has higher content also, and it also even contains a lot of nutrients. The type of soil usually found in the garden is loam, which is a mixture of clay, sand and humus. Humus in partially or wholly decayed animal and plant matter. Loam can retain water, it's aerated and contains nutrients that make it suitable for plant growth. Okay, fine, it's question time. I hope you could understand and can solve them. So the first question is, how can we test for starch? How do we know if the leaf has made food? What are carnivorous plants? Give examples. Why there is a need for carnivorous plants to consume animals? Name and define different types of soil. Also tell characteristics. So I'm showing you the answer right now. The first was the how can we test starch, okay? We can test for starch by using iodine solution. When the starch is present and the solution turns blue-black, so it means it has made food. Yes. Now answer 3. Carnivorous plants are plants that consume insects and other small animals. Examples are Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. There's a need for carnivorous plants to consume small animals because they usually grow in soils which are poor in nutrients. That's exactly what we know and what we have learned. There are 3 types of soils: sandy, clay, and loam soil. Sandy soil retains water very well and they are poor in high air content. Clay soil doesn't retain water well but have high air content. Loam soil retains water well, has higher content, and contains a lot of nutrients. Thanks for watching. This was the video, guys. I hope you like it. Make sure like, share and subscribe to my channel for more good videos, inshallah, like this. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and Allahafiz. The next video is coming on the last topic in the plant growth chapter. Then we are going to start the habitants and food chain chapter. It's a really good chapter. You will like it, okay? Fine, I will just go right now, okay? Bye.